Hello, friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you. I would like to thank you for taking some time to attend this webinar today. So, this webinar is about introduction to chakras. So, we will talk about what is a chakra, how does it function, what are the different health problems that we get, and how are they related to chakra dysfunction or malfunctioning. And we also will understand the significance of some of the activities, especially the spiritual activities that we do. How are these connected to the chakras? Okay, so let's start this webinar. So before we get into the theory part of it, I would like you to do a 2-minute exercise to to feel the energy that's coming out from your hand. So what we are going to do is first take your left palm. Okay, just keep the palm very close to you. Put your right thumb, do a center of the palm. You do a massage on the left palm. Okay, yeah, you do this. Let me count: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now massage all the tip of the fingers. I will count 5 to 1. Massage each and every finger one by one. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next finger. 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 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we have massaged all the fingers. Now let's repeat the same thing in the other hand. That is, you take your right palm and then use the thumb from the left palm, massage on the right palm. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now all the fingers. Massage each and every finger one by one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next finger. 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 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now what you do is you keep both the hands very close to each other. You should not touch the hand, just keep the hand just close to your chest. Okay, you can keep the hand horizontal so that it doesn't touch each other, but there is a distance of 2 to 5 inches. Now keeping the hand in the same position, raise the elbow so that the elbow doesn't get closed or locked. Now close your eyes and start thinking about center of your palm, and then do this for 2 minutes. Okay, so for people who are on the recorded session, you can just put this video on pause and then you can start doing this for 2 minutes, and then we'll come back. Okay, so now let me hear back from all of you. How did you feel about this? Okay, yeah, oh yeah, I think one person is saying that he had a small tingling effect in his finger. That's right. So I think some of you would be getting different feelings. So you may be getting either some tingling or some pressure moving around, or you would be seeing some pulling effect. So all of these things are nothing but this is the prana that is going out from your hand out, and then it is withdrawing the prana from the air. So in the meantime, there is a pressure that is exerted on both of your hands. So this is nothing but the prana. So let's move on to the lecture. Let's understand the objective of this session. So this objective of this session is to talk about the basic chakras. Okay, and we will also talk about what is the significance of these chakras from a health perspective. We are going to talk about only the 7 major chakras. We are not going to talk about minor chakras. We are not going to talk about, there are various other major chakras we are not going to talk about. In total, I believe there are 750 plus chakras in our body. So we are not going to talk about all the chakras. We are also not going to talk about various yogic practices like Kundalini, Swara Yoga, Vasi Yoga. These are all something related to chakras. We are not going to talk about that. We will come back to this in the later session. Okay, so next one, let us start exploring chakra. So what is chakra? How does it work? So basically chakras are nothing but vortex. These are all like earlier session we already saw that we as a body not just consist of human body, right? There is a etheric body. There are 5 types of body we discussed. So chakra is on the etheric body, or in Sanskrit or Tamil it is called pranamaya kosha. Okay, so these chakras are the places where the energy enters our body, and then the body send out all the bad energy, that is the used up energy, it expels from our body. So this is the place where this energy exchange is happening, and it is called chakra. Now just like how you have blood vessels or nerves through which either blood or the current passes to various places in your body, similarly chakras also flow through something called nadi. So in our literature we have seen 2 kind of nadis, which is called Ida and Pingala, so which is like left and right, and these are flowing in our body. these nadis are flowing in our body. There is also another thing called Sushmana Nadi, which is the central one. And why we are talking about this is that this Ida or Pingala Nadi are crossing the chakras, and wherever there are specific points where these are crossing is basically some of these chakras. Like for example, Muladhara Chakra, Manipuraga Chakra, Vishuddham, Shuddhi or Vishuddham or Sahasrara. So these are the four chakras where these Ida and Pingala Nadis are crossing each other. Okay, so that is how these chakras are there in our body.